Today I'm going to show you how to make a quick and simple tuna salad, and followed up I'm going to make it into some sandwich melts. So as you can see here, there's some great fresh ingredients, and one highlight is that I use some grated lemon zest in order to help brighten up the tuna salad and just add a little bit more of that bright flavor note. I'm using two different vegan fish today. I'm using a vegan tuna and I'm using a vegan whitefish. So it's pretty simple. Once the tuna salads are made up, then we just go ahead and turn it into a melt. It's be super simple to make by just turning them into a sandwich with some bread, a little bit more of veganizing and some cheddar cheese, and then toasting them off. Okay, so in these tuna salads and the melt, I'm using two different vegan fish. I'm using one is a tuna and one is a white breaded fish fillet. And both are made by Good Catch, but they're both absolutely fantastic. I think the thing I like most about this is that Good Catch, you know, they feature and they make vegan fish product or vegan seafood products, and so they do a great job of emulating those flavors that you would naturally get. The tuna itself is a bit more mild in fishiness, which I have always seen to be the case whenever I'm having tuna, and it has some good meaty chunks in it. The whitefish is a bit more fishier, a little bit more of that kind of seafood flavor, but the breading and everything, it's delicious. So when you make these into melts, I can't really pick one over the other. They're both fantastic. It's just a matter of do you need something a little bit more mild in flavor, or do you like something that does have a little bit more of that fishiness? So both of these are fantastic. I definitely recommend Good Catch as a product, and you know, it can definitely fulfill those seafood needs for you. So everybody, that is making tuna salad and making that tuna salad into some sandwich melts. I hope you enjoyed the video. I'm your friend with Food Benefits, and I will see you again real soon.